In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Deepseek AI login error in just 5 minutes. If you're having trouble logging in, don't worry. We've all been there. Let's dive into some practical steps to help you get back on track quickly. First things first, it's important to ensure you have a stable and active internet connection. Without this, all efforts to log in might be in vain. So, check that your Wi-Fi or data connection is strong and consistent. Sometimes switching between a network like Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa can resolve unforeseen issues. Once you're confident your internet is in order, the next step is to double-check that you are entering the correct email address and password. It might seem trivial, but small errors creep in easily with capitalization or special characters. It's always good practice to slowly type out your login details and ensure everything matches exactly as required. If you're sure your credentials are correct and you're still facing issues, try logging out of your account completely and then attempt logging back in. Sign-out processes can sometimes clear minor bugs or temporary session errors that might be lingering. Now, if that doesn't work, don't fret. A simple refresh of the Deepseek page or restarting the application could do the trick. It often resolves any loading issues or anomalies that could be causing login troubles. A fresh start might be just what your app needs. Another handy trick is to restart your computer or mobile device. It's a bit of a classic fix, but it's effective in resolving temporary glitches that might be affecting your login process. If the problem persists, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Old data might be causing a conflict with your current login. By removing this cached data, you can often fix these types of issues. Clear caches also speed up and improve your browsing experience. Trying a different browser or device can also help. Certain settings or extensions in a particular browser might interfere with your ability to log in. Disabling any unnecessary browser extensions temporarily can also be useful to rule out any third-party interference. Next, ensure that all your software is up to date. Outdated versions can sometimes have compatibility issues, so give your browser, operating system, and any relevant applications a check for updates. Finally, if after all these steps you still find yourself unable to log in, it might be worth checking the server status for Deepseek. Occasionally, server-side issues can prevent successful login attempts, and if that's the case, you may need to wait patiently until the service is restored. If servers are operational and things aren't improving, reaching out to Deepseek's support team might be your best bet for personalized assistance. That's it for today. Hopefully, at least one of these steps will have solved the issue for you and you're now logged in and ready to go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.